Hey guys, I'm Andres Maduro from Finca Dracula. Today we're in the entrance of the Sendero de la Cascada del Trueno, or the Thunder Waterfall Trail. It's a trail that got recommended to me near Macho de Monte in Tierras Altas de Chiriquí that is supposed to have a great view of a waterfall. So let's check it out to see what we find out. After half an hour of walking, we reach the Thunder Waterfall. You can hear the thunder, the roar of the waterfall as it drops 4 stories high and then vanishes into a mist in the surrounding area. I consider this trail an intermediate level trail, not because it's particularly tiring, but because it's very slippery and it's not well marked. I recommend you bring shoes with good grip and clothing that can get wet so that you can concentrate on walking and not staying dry. We saw lots of beautiful nature coming here, some orchids and some other beautiful plants. It's not the most diverse place to visit, but I still recommend it for the landscape. It's a tourist attraction that you must visit. Thanks for watching this video about the Thunder Waterfall. If you like this trail and you want to visit it, check the link in our description where we provide all the information on how to get here, what to bring so that you're ready and you can enjoy this trail. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow us in the social media and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.